welcome you to the Shiv Nadar School STEAM Conclave 2024.
Really inspirational and insightful. I have known about Sir since I was in 6th grade when I first read his book. So meeting him today in person and being part of the panel discussion with him, being one of the panelists, was an amazing experience.
It has been great interacting with students, that they are doing a lot of work in STEAM, looking at some of the challenges in the environment, coming up with some ideas that they can solve some of the problems that people are facing around the world. These are some of the things that we need to be able to be teaching our kids nowadays, to be learning that sometimes learning in school, it's not just about passing the exams at the end of it, but how can you take that learning further up to betterment of the humanity. So that's really incredible work that they're doing. Don't give up on your dreams. In everything that you do, you face some challenges, but don't allow those challenges to be limiting facts for you in order to come up with your idea.